Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Brianna Wilson. I'm a certified dementia practitioner and the founder of Bambu Care, where you can find us at letsbambu.com. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Joy for All companion pet. So this is the orange Tabby Cat. Now I purchased this with my own money. I'm not being paid to do this video, nor was this sent to me, okay? But yeah, the whole purpose of this robotic pet is for companionship and comfort. So let's go ahead and open it. I have not opened it yet. I just took the tape off of it. So let's see. Okay, so when you first open it, it actually has its little head poking out. Can you see it? And then there's also a brush. So let's see. Okay, so here's the brush. It's a black brush. It's not soft bristle. I don't know if you can see that. And then, let's see. Okay, there she is. And then the only thing else in the box is this brochure or pamphlet here. So let me move the box. Okay, so here is Fiona up and close. So I'll do a whole 360 for you. Okay, this is what she looks like underneath and on top. She's actually very soft. That's one of the first things that I notice. And she has flexible but also rigid ears. And she has green eyes. So I don't know if you were able to see that. There you go. She has green eyes. So let's take a look at this pamphlet. Set her up like this so you can see her. So it says Ageless Innovations, Joy for All Companion Pet. And then there is a lot of different languages on here that I'm noticing, which kind of makes it a little difficult to take in. But let's see. So underneath her body is how you activate it. So let's do that. And I think batteries are already in her. And she's supposed to be responsive to pet and touch and motion and also like hugging. So let's see. This is not how you hold a cat probably. Hello. Okay. And so her eyes do blink. Let's see. So one of the first things that I noticed, and this has noise cancellation, is that the robotics of it are very loud, and you might not be able to hear that. Another thing that I noticed is that she sheds really bad, and I'm going to come closer so that you can see what I'm talking about. Now, I've personally never owned a cat, so I don't know if this shedding is comparable or if she's just a very sheddy cat. Hopefully you can hear her meowing and it's not being canceled out, but she does meow, she purrs, and she's responding, I think, to me brushing her right now. But yeah, she does shed quite a bit, so that's just something to keep in mind. So let me turn her off real quick. Okay, so she is off now. So I just wanted to come on and do a quick unboxing and kind of like a first impressions of my thoughts after I took her out the box and turned her on. I will be doing a full review in about a week. I want to have a little bit more time to play around with her so that I can give you all my full complete thoughts. But in the meantime, if you have any questions at all, please let me know. And if you haven't already, I'm going to link a podcast episode where I talked about therapeutic dolls and pets, and you may find that beneficial as well. Okay, so I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys.